probably. You are viewing this on the new Sony something 7S.
Oh, that's the one, Jerry. Hey, let's go for a carrot.
Sony A7S III. It's actually a really nice camera. As you can see, the quality's dope. Microphone's picking up good sound with the Rode, and the lens is pretty good. It's really good overall lens. And me and Gmo, we went and picked up the camera. We picked up a drone, a DJI Air 2S, I want to say. I think so. And it's really fun. We were playing with it. We're going to insert a few videos here playing with it, trying to figure out how to learn the controls. It's very difficult. Like, it's easy to understand what the controls do, but it's difficult to remember, like, muscle memory them into doing what you need to do quickly. Like, slow and steady is very simple, but quickly, you know, it's a little difficult. Shut it, Joshua Gonya. So we're playing around with it, and then we ran through 3 batteries the first day, and it was really fun. And then the second day, I got it going, turned it on in the house, and like went up a little bit, put it in sport mode, so the wall detection, obstacle detection thing is off, and I just went like up and basically tapped into the wall. Nothing hard, but just like a light tap, fell on the ground. All right, no big deal. All right, that happened before. Pick it up, try flying it again. It's like what the heck? The rotor's touching something. And I start looking at it. The motor came loose. 2 of the 3 bolts were missing. I don't know where they went. They must have been there before because it was tight, but I don't know how they got out, but they got out. And the 1 bolt was loose, so I looked around, tried to figure out how to get it going. Don't have any spare bolts, so I just tightened down the one that we did have. It felt pretty tight. I put it all back together, flew it in the house, just like up and down, flew well, sounded good, awesome. Took it outside, up and down, really good, sounds good. I'm like, awesome, we can just rip it down the street. It was really fun, right? And then I'm flying back, and it's like, yay, and it's like, again, like, oh no, it's getting loose. I'm like, literally, this was the succession. It was like, oh no, it's getting loose. And then it's like, I'm like, oh, that's not good. Got to get it back. And then it's like, and then, falls out of the sky, smashes into the pavement right in the middle of the street. I'm like, no. It was so quick. There's no time to react. It was like, boom. I was like, I should bring it back. Oh, I should really bring it back. Oh no. Crashed. So it fell apart, broke. It's broken here and there. Sadness, and we'll insert the video of where it happened. You can listen to it now. So I put it together, the 1 bolt, flew pretty good, flew it here, flew it there, flew it down there, and then flying back, and it's like drops out of the sky, dude. Literally dropped out of the sky. So yeah, so can't use the drone this week until I figure out how to get it repaired. Either I got to send it into DJI or see if I can find the parts myself and get it done. We'll get that done. In the meantime, use the Sony, get some awesome shots in, try to upgrade our reel game, upgrade, get a new YouTube video out, and some TikToks, whatever. I don't care about TikTok, but we need to get some views. So that's the update there over the weekend. Now we're at Starbucks. Does this thing autofocus? Yes. Beautiful camera. Autofocused on the beautiful blur. So nice. Now I'm gonna get some coffee. We got the trailer out back. We got Zari right here, Zada, cutie pie. Trailer's in the back. We're gonna go get some gravel for the wall, and also get some additional wall cap and corner block for the wall. So that's where we're at. Oh, this looks sick. picking up 10 corner block, 23 additional wall cap. That's for the additional change order of the staircase into the wall. So I just picked it up, guys loaded it. We asked them for permission to record them. They're like, yeah, just don't get us famous, man. People are looking for me, you know? So it's pretty cool. I'm about to load it up in the truck. This is how I gotta do it. Gotta unhook the truck, throw a pallet in the back, keep the trailer available for the 57 stone I gotta pick up for the wall. And I will head to the quarry, pick that up. I'll save like 50 bucks by going to the quarry instead of getting it here. If it was out of my way, it wouldn't be worth it, but it's maybe 10 minutes out of my way. It's worth it for lunch money. Yeah, blur that number out. Out here in my garage, psych, got the patio done, sod is in, wall is in, looks beautiful. It took us about, what, 8 days, something like that. A little long, not gonna lie, but ultimately came out really nice. Got the staircase, about 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, really beautiful, 90-degree corners. Ran to the corner of the house. We have the footer of the actual structure sticking out right there, so we just wrapped it with some brick, some of the block. So that came out pretty good. There's an easy fix. Wall turn right here and step downs. Got the pipe coming out back there. That's how it looks from the side. Let me zoom in here a little bit. It's really pretty. I think we put down 6 pallets of sod. Built this up, had 2 loads of dirt brought in, and put the paver patio. Let me show you this. I think we brought up the back of this yard about 2 feet. Everything from the crest of the hill right here to the grass line. That's about what we brought in. So we really raised up the yard pretty good. And I think we went down about 1 foot on that side of the yard. Here's the pavers. It's a Belgard Holland. Really nice, really nice.